This is day 2 of our camping trip at Davidson River Campground in Pisgah National Forest, and today we are going to hike Moore Cove. For more information on Davidson River Campground, please go watch day 1 or click the card at the top of the screen. What are you doing?
Last night, I was a little bit worried about falling asleep because I couldn't play a podcast. I couldn't, watch anything. I'm one of those people that needs something to fall asleep. So next time, I'm going to have to prepare. I have a library card, so I'm definitely going to check out a couple books. All right, breakfast is ready.
So good.
Gunner's having his breakfast. He has an egg and some chicken and his dog kibble. Packed up because our vehicle is our camper and our camper is our vehicle. So whenever you take that awning out, if you want to go anywhere, you got to put it back up. We are going to stay out here tonight after our hike, but we're not going to set up everything. We're just going to get up and go in the morning. I'm going to do a little bit of makeup just because we're filming, so I want to look halfway pleasant. My makeup bag, I'm just going to do brows and some mascara. It's the leaf blower. Even when we're in the wilderness, the leaf blower finds us. I always do the bottom lashes first, because if you do the top, then the bottom, you're more likely to get mascara on your eyelids. Is it too heavy for the hiking trail? Yes. Do I care? Also no. Because I'm allowed to enjoy doing my makeup and nature at the same time. Not all granola girls have to look and smell like granola girls. We are officially ready. Finally. As you can tell, we really like taking our sweet time. Davidson River Campground is just 4.6 miles from Looking Glass Falls, 5.6 miles from Moore Cove, and 6.7 miles from Sliding Rock. We've previously been to Looking Glass Falls, so we're going to pass right on through today and head to Moore Cove. Finally ready at 3 p.m. The first part of this is a great warm-up because it's just all stairs. Oh, not again! He's like, this is where I went last time. There's barely anything coming out. He's just excited.
Can you remove those dingleberries so I can get up here and I'll try to get around this corner because it's going to be tricky to get them out. It's so steep.
There's a lot of stairs in the very beginning, so you're going to get nice and warmed up right from the start. I made it up this rock.
Fell already.
Andrew already fell and got covered in clay, and
I had to get Gunner off the beaten
Gunner
path.
had to get off the trail, so then
All
Andrew
the
went
front,
up one
all
of
the
these
back.
clay things and then fell down because Gunner pulled him down. Hiking with them is just
Fun.
It's really something. Anyways, look at this view. Don't worry about those two. If you're adventurous, it's totally worth it though. Pretty cool to be up here. Maybe have lunch up here or something, I don't know. You can see everything. All right, Andrew's turn. Let's see if he can make it up here. There he goes, rock climber Andy. No. Gunner. And those boots. It ain't that easy, is it, bucko? He's gonna... This is it for him. Let's get Gunner some water.
The tree is so cool coming out, isn't it?
Hi, no, don't do that. Oh my God. Do not jump.
I got him before him.
Good job. Oh.
Good boy.
Oh
boy.
my God. Oh my God.
It's fine, we're hiking.
Moore Cove is only 1.5 miles round trip and leads you to a gorgeous waterfall that you can walk directly behind. This trail is very popular and can get quite busy with larger groups as well as dogs. It starts to get quite muddy headed towards the falls, so we highly recommend wearing closed-toed waterproof shoes, and make sure you bring plenty of poop bags and prepare to pack in and pack out because there are no garbage cans along the trail. It's always important to remember, leave no trace and leave the trail nicer than when you started. We're almost back to the beginning of the trail. We can see the van, it's still there, very good. Gunnar and Andrew are filthy. Back at camp, snacking, chips and salsa. How was the sandwich, babe? I had mine in the car.
It was filling.
It was
big.
did bigger.
She did bigger chunks of apple this time, but it was actually good.
Really good in there. Gunnar has his wet food, his kibble, and some chicken breast. So I didn't even put it in his slow feed. I didn't put it in his slow feeder, so you guys can see what he does when he doesn't have his slow feeder.
Slow down.
He's gonna make himself sick. I'm so hungry that I ate my sandwich on the way here. But I have some brie and some of these like weird fig crackers. It's pretty good if you're into charcuterie. So we pretty much cleaned and packed up everything already. So yeah, it was a successful trip and can't wait to come back here in the summer. So yeah, I highly recommend this campsite.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. I don't want to go back.
No, I don't want to go to work tomorrow, but we have to.
So I forgot that I had one of these weird little random emulators. So I don't need any Wi-Fi, and it has thousands upon thousands of games. This is a Buffy the Vampire Slayer Game Boy Color game. And I have Kirby and Sonic and Mario and Zelda and all the classics. So this is kind of a cute little thing to do without internet when it's around bedtime at the campsite.
The babies are mine. Ah, stole the babies.
They stole Yoshi.
Wow, we gotta get them. Single player, yes.
No, don't two-player.
Oh,
Did you ever have a Game Boy Color? Or were you
no.
You were an adult by then. I had a Game Boy Color, the purple clear one. All good things must come to an end. I can't really say it's time to go home because this is our home, but it's time to leave this campground and this beautiful national forest. Gunnar got a bath last night, and we all slept in the bed together. He enjoyed that. It's okay, Bobby. We'll come back another time. He said we could just live out here. We can't. Technically, I think you can stay up to 14 days at the national forest, and then you have to leave, but then you can come back. Well, it's time. Time to go. No, we can't stay. Do not escape. He's ready to get out. I'm sorry, Gunnar. Well, technically, we would be able to be here until noon, but duty calls. All right. Until next time. Till next time. It's going to be really fun to bring some of our friends here in the coming months. I have a friend coming in April and a friend coming in June, so we're going to have to take them here. We really like this back loop. I highly recommend.
The squeegee, where's that at?
Under the bench seat. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for our next adventure. And as always, don't get bamboozled.